If your business is running on spreadsheets, here is what I recommend you do. Build a operating system that can do everything that the spreadsheet does, but actually has intelligence and has some usability of the data in the spreadsheets. That is the state we're at today in the modern day of technology with AI and everything like that is you can actually build out anything. So this particularly was a project that we had 46 individual clients running Google Ads on, but this was all being done on spreadsheets. So that was the first major objective, and this is an operating system for this agency to be able to run this many accounts on one operating system. There's a lot of other things we can do in this, but particularly, I just want you to understand that you need to stop building out dashboards and you need to build out a spreadsheet. It can do whatever you want it to do. This is, we're really at a point in time where you could get Claude, you could get Kimi, you could get DeepSeek, which is the cheapest one, and they'll do whatever you say. Okay, you just got to get a VPS. Hostinger is a VPS. You easily tell then your Claude or your AI, let's just say it's Claude, right? You tell it to then go and do whatever you're trying to do and then do it on your VPS. So this right here is my VPS, SSH Spark. SSH is a way to connect into the VPS. And then that's what it does. It goes and does actually what you say to do. But what you want it to do is to take all of your spreadsheets and the things that you're using on the spreadsheets and actually put it into a custom operating system, not a dashboard. Dashboards are just fancier spreadsheets, right? But now we have the ability to actually build full actual working apps, which then make this into an operating system. This can have full read and write access. So most people are very hesitant with AI right now, which I highly encourage you to continue to be. But the people that are actually using AI the best are using it to build things that their engineers are not building. I don't know if you have a software engineer in your team and they haven't built this for you yet. What are they doing? Sorry, but what are you doing? And then this is the way for your whole business to run. Everything else can go into here, any other SaaS, anything else. And a lot of people can't wrap their head around that because the last 3 years of AI have been hallucinations and misinformation. And so now we actually at a point to where you can actually have it build real usable things, whether you have a bunch of spreadsheets or you have a bunch of APIs. You can tie them all together, and then you can have them make them do whatever it is that you want them to do. Okay, this is the operating system base for what they had the biggest need for, and then there's a lot more that it can expand into. But this is what everybody should be doing. This is what a custom growth operating system is it takes the spreadsheets that are running your business and turns it into usable and actionable information and data. Now you could even take it a further step. So, for example, this takes in any calls with this client, any information or communication with this client that's been happening with the team from Zoom or from other sources. You can have AI through very tailored automations, not AI just running loosey goosey, focus automations on each individual point to actually come in here. So let's just say this account is under pacing, right? It's under budget. So what do we need to do here to get this actually working? You can get the automation to actually constantly do that. Now there's a billion different parameters for running ads, different scenarios for why things could be happening, but for the most part, everything can be set very clearly to where almost 99% of all the actions that a human ad buyer would do on platform can be automated programmatically in progression. So you're not just overnight, right? You're building it live on the fly and it's actually real. Start out with just read only. This is read only right now. We haven't fully switched over to write yet, just to safeguard yourself, right? Make it so in this actual VPS, when I attach any AI into it to try to build into this repo in the repository of this code, it will 100% say you must do a proper way of actually editing the code in this code base. You can't just throw things willy-nilly. So there's ways to safeguard it to where you never have to worry about hallucinations or clobbering of code and things like that. But at the end of the day, this is going to be a lot more useful for your business to thrive without a spreadsheet if you have a custom operating system. So I invite you now to go to customgrowthos.com, grab yourself a demo slot. I will make you an actual working demo of an operating system like that based off of exactly what your business is, what you're doing. You'll tell me, we'll put it in there. I'll put in a bunch of mock data to make it look all real. This is real in the back end. And then we'll go through it and we'll talk about it. We can talk about us building it, or if you want to learn how to build it yourself, completely up to you. And then we can take it from there. I have very, very limited time, very limited slots because I work with a lot of larger clients that unfortunately take way too much of my time. But I want to work with as many people as possible. So please book your demo now because soon my time is going to be very, very full coming into autumn and into the winter time. So now is the best time to really take advantage of this. And let's build you out a custom growth operating system. Thanks so much, and let me know if I can help you out. I'll see you in the next video.